How to protect yourself and others from coronavirus. Tip 1. Wash your hands often with alcohol-based sanitizer or soap. Tip 2. Wash your hands. 1. After coughing or sneezing. 2. When caring for sick. 3. Before, during and after you prepare food. 4. Before eating. 5. After toilet use. 6. When hands are visibly dirty. 7. After handling animals or animal waste. Tip 3. When coughing and sneezing, cover mouth and nose with flexed elbow or tissue. Tip 4. Avoid close contact when you are experiencing cough and fever. Avoid splitting in public. If you have fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early and share previous travel history with your healthcare provider. Keep calm and stay at home. It's the only way we can stop spreading of novel coronavirus. We can able to realize what's the situation is going around the world. Doctors are working for us. We need to stay at home at any cost.